हेलो एवरीवन जय जगन्नाथ स्वागत करुच्ची विराज जीके एक्सप्रेस को आशा करे आपण माने भलरे थिबे एवं आपनकर प्रिपरेशन मध्ये भलरे चलिथिबो। क्वेश्चन आरंभ करिया पूर्व आपण माने समस्त मां सरस्वती को प्रणाम करंतु। The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from. Answer is option A, US. Who is considered as the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer is option D, B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following is a feature common to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Answer is option D, a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer is option C, B.N. Rao. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the. Answer is option A, Act of 1935. The Constitution of India came into force on. Answer is option C, January 26, 1950. What is the minimum age required to become President of India? Answer is option C, 35 years. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in the Constitution of India? Answer is option B, 6. The Communist Party of India was founded in the year. Answer is option D, 1964. Which fundamental right in the Constitution of India prohibits trafficking, forced labor and children working under 14 years of age? Answer is option C, right against exploitation. How many types of writs are there in the Constitution of India? Answer is option B, 5. Who was the first woman governor of a state in India? Answer is option C, Sarojini Naidu. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Answer is option D, Niti Aayog. Who appoints the Finance Commission of India? Answer is option C, President. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with the directive principle of state policy? Answer is option B, Part IV. A right issued by the Supreme Court compelling a quasi-judicial public authority to perform its mandatory duties. Answer is option B, mandamus. when the office of the president and vice president fall vacant simultaneously, who acts as president? Answer is option D, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. If the president wants to resign from his office, he may do so by writing to the answer is option C, Vice President. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer is option A, Meera Kumar. In which year was Nationalist Congress Party founded? Answer is option A, 1999. In which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental duties are enshrined? Answer is option A, Part IVA. Which of the following is not a fundamental right as per the Constitution of India? Answer is option B, right to information. Which of the following writ is issued by the court in case of an illegal detention of a person? Answer is option A, habeas corpus. How many fundamental duties are there in the Constitution of India? Answer is option B, 11. Which of the following words were incorporated in the preamble of the Constitution of India by the 42 Amendment Act 1976? Answer is option C, 1, 3 and 4. Secular, integrity, socialist. Which of the following Amendment Act is also called as mini constitution? Answer is option B, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Citizenship provisions are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Answer is option D, part second. Directive principle of state policy mentioned in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from the Constitution of. Answer is option A, Ireland. ଆଜିର ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍କ୍ରିନରେ which among the following features of Indian Constitution was not borrowed from Britain Constitution? Answer is option C, judicial review. थैंक यू आशा करी क्लासटी आपको भल लगी जदि आपको क्लासटी भल लगी थाए ताले लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करने भूलिए आपण सहित पुणी देखा नेक्स्ट न्यू क्लास रे। जय जगन्नाथ, नमस्कार।